Hey guys, welcome back to Face Mask Friday. Today we're going to use the Garnier SkinActive Matcha and Kaolin mask. I haven't used this one before, but I really enjoyed how it applied. It's like a light green clay mask. For those of you who don't know, kaolin is a clay that is used to produce like porcelain and china. And it's really good for purifying pores and detoxifying skin. It's really good to use on sensitive skin, and it also treats acne. And I actually found I had like a breakout in between my eyebrows, as you could probably see before, and the day after my breakout was gone. So I really enjoyed this mask and I recommend it for that reason. Leave this mask on until it's dry to the touch and it doesn't transfer onto your hands. I think I left it on for 30 minutes, but 20 to 30 minutes should be good. After that, I just washed the mask off and added the Oils of Life from the Body Shop onto my face, and my skin was feeling really nice and clean. Okay guys, that's pretty much it for today. Let me know if you want me to try out any of the other Garnier SkinActive masks. I think they came out with 4 or 5, so I'm more than happy to try out those for you. Okay guys, until next week, I'll see you later. Bye.